Hello all, let's do some more problems based on addition. 7,999,86 plus 546. Firstly, let's add 6 plus 6 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 as carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 here and carry here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 here and carry 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here, carry here. 9 plus 1, again 10. 0 here and carry here. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8,00532 is the answer. 8,532,000. Now let's subtract these two numbers. 30,014 minus 125. We can't subtract 5 from 4. So let's borrow 1 from nearby digit. If you take 1 from here, it becomes 0. And this 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. We can't subtract 2 from the 0. So let's take borrow from nearby digit. Here it is 0. Here also 0. So let's take 1 from here. 3 becomes 2. If we take 1 from this 3, it becomes 2. Okay. So this 0 becomes 10. When we combine 1 from this 3 and 0, it becomes 10. Now take 1 from this 10, it becomes 9, and this 0 becomes 10. This 1 and 0, combine this 1 and 0, it becomes 10. Now take 1 from this 10, it becomes 9, and combine this 1 and 0, it's 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 0, 2. So this is our answer, 29,889. Now let's multiply these two numbers. Firstly, we need to multiply 9 with the whole number. So 9 into 7, 63. Write 3 here and 6 as carry. 2 into 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Write 4 here and 2 here. 6 into 9, 54. 54 plus 2, 56. Write 5 as carry. 4 into 9, 36. 36 plus this 5, 41. Write 1 here and 4 as carry. 3 into 9, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. Okay. So here we added all these carries. So let's cancel this. Now we need to multiply all these numbers or all these digits with 3. 3 into 7, 21. Write 1 here and 2 as carry. Okay. When we are multiplying with the second data, we should skip one position. Okay. So don't start from here. We should skip one position, or we should start from the second digit. if we are multiplying with the second data or second digit, we should start from the second digit. Okay, so 3 into 7, 21. Write 1 here and 2 on the top. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 into 6, 18. Write 8 here and 1 as carry. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here and 1 as carry. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10. Okay. Now let's add these two rows. 3. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 8, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Write 0, carry here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 1. So let's read this. 13,50,453. Now let's divide these two numbers. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. Divided by 21. There is no 21 in 2, so let's combine these two digits. In 25, 121 is there, so 1, write 1 on the top. 1 into 21 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. Bring this 6 down. How many 21s are there in 46? 2. So write 2 on the top. 2 into 21 is 42. 46 minus 42 is 4. Bring this 7 down. In 47 also there are two 21s. So write 2 on the top, and 2 into 21 is 42. 47 minus 42 is 5. Bring this 8 down. 58. 21 into 3 is 63. So in 58 also there are two 21. So 2 into 21 is 42. 6, 1. If we subtract 42 from 58, it's 16. Bring this 9 down. It becomes 169. Now how many 21s are there in 169? Let's check it with some examples. 21 into 7. 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 7, 14. 21 into 8. 1 into 8, 8. 2 into 8, 16. So 2 into 8 is 168. It's near to 169. So 8 21s are there. So write 8 on the top. 8 into 21, 168. 169 minus 168 is 1. So the answer is 12,228. This is quotient and this is remainder.